Are you interested to know how VR technology is revolutionizing workplace safety and training? Let's delve into VR technology for industries. Every day, thousands of workers step into environments where safety is critical. But what if there was a way to see the risks before they happen and truly understand the importance of safety gear and training? Welcome to the future of workplace safety. Virtual reality is changing the way companies train their workers, putting them in lifelike scenarios where they can learn, adapt, and understand the consequences of unsafe practices, all without indulging into real-world risks. In the VR environment, workers are exposed to real-life incident scenarios. They can see what happens when rules are ignored and understand why every piece of HSE kit, PPE, bodywear, eyewear, and more is crucial. Imagine training where mistakes aren't fatal, but the lessons are unforgettable. VR bridges the gap between theory and practice, making safety a reflex, not just a regulation. By integrating VR into training, companies can reduce incidents, avoid costly downtime, and save lives. It's not just innovation, it's a revolution. Traditional methods rely on slides and lectures, but VR puts workers in the heart of the action, helping them feel the urgency of safety rules and see the value of their gear. Learn and adopt VR technology for your industry. Secure your sport today at Global HSE Nexus 2.0.